This is the Frugal Gardener. I'm on the homestead. Now I'm here to give you a 60-second update. I've had so many people say to me, why don't you use these for raised gardens? I got these troughs. One of the first things we put on the homestead, and I couldn't pass up the deal. I got them for less than half price, and I'm using them for what they were intended for. This is all the water that I collected over the winter. And this one is almost full. This is a little bit more than halfway full. And the reason why I'm not using them as raised gardens is because I don't have a water source up here. There's no way for me to get water, which means I would have to run back and forth down to the house, actually technically behind the house, and the water that I would get, I would have to pay for. So by using these troughs, it's efficient, it makes sense, and the water's free. So there you have it. Catch you guys on the next video.